you. Thank you, Diamond Master Jane Manorinia. Hello, Atomians! Alright, so, bago po ako magsimula, pwede ko po bang i-request kayo na tuwing sasabihin ko ang salitang Atomians, sabihin niyo po, fighting! Atomians? Fighting! Naku, kailangan po talagang itsurang may laban. Ulitin po natin, Atomians! Yan. Okay po, so nais ko pong batiin ang mga nandyan po sa Baguio Cap Center at sa Cebu Dream Center. And of course, sa lahat po ng ating mga online viewers, paki-comment naman po dyan sa comment section ng fighting at kung saan kayo center affiliated. And of course, good morning po sa inyong lahat na nandito sa Pick-up Center, especially sa ating mga VIP and of course sa ating country manager, Mr. Eric Kim. And syempre, importante sa lahat yung ating mga first-time guests. Alright, salamat po sa pag-attend sa ating one-day seminar. I am Arlene Mesano, a sales master and center head of Quezon City Star Center. I am so privileged today to be presenting to you our absolute quality and absolute price products. And I hope and pray after this presentation that you will fall in love with our Atomy products the more. Atomians? Ayan, okay. So dapat po nakikinig kayo, ha? Alright. Did you know that Atomy is the only curator of absolute quality and absolute price products? Did you know that? Mukhang mahina. Atomians? Alright. Pag sinabi po natin curator, the keeper and the custodian or manager of a collection of things. And in this case, a collection of absolute quality and absolute price products. We are, tayo lang po ang tagapangasiwa. Yun po ang ibig sabihin nun. Tagapangasiwa ng mga absolute quality and absolute price. Sa buong mundo po yan. Are you glad you are an Atomian? Okay, so, today, I will be presenting to you, of course, 3 things. The product philosophy of Atomy and the marketing strategy, and of course, 2 featured products that are most top-selling food supplement in the industry, all right? So, pag-usapan muna po natin ang product philosophy ng Atomy. It is absolute quality. When we say absolute quality, complete, fixed, specific yung value, hindi po nagbabago. Yun po ang ibig sabihin ng absolute. Sa Tagalog, wagas, lubos, tapat. Okay? Meron pang gumagamit ng buo, kumpleto, malinis, totoo. Yan po ang ibig sabihin ng absolute. Okay? So, pag sinabi naman natin absolute price, absolute low price, wala nang makakapantay, wala nang makaka-compete. Alright? Kabaliktaran ng absolute price, alam niyo po ba kung ano? Relative price. Halimbawa, pumunta po kayo sa palengke at bumibili kayo ng mangga halimbawa. Maraming mangga ngayon, ano? Ang relative price, halimbawa 1 kilo, 100, kunyari lang. Pag tinawaran nyo ng 80 at ibinigay sa inyo, yan ang relative price. Tapos tinawaran nyo pa kasi sabi mo, medyo may bulok-bulok na, pwede bang 60 na lang? Pag binigay pa sa inyo, relative price. Pero pag sinabing, ay hindi na po, tapat na yan. You see? Tapat na. Totoo kasi yon. 100 na lang talaga, wala nang ibababa. Yun po ang absolute price. Okay. Ang message strategy natin is of course, we're talking about yung target market natin. Siyempre, ang target market natin is yung masa. Okay? Sino yung masa? Yung mahihirap, mga middle class, mayayaman. Paano po nagiging posible yan? Okay? Siyempre, dahil sa ating mga prestigious na mga products. Kahit mahihirap, gusto natin mga high quality products. Tama po ba? Kahit middle class na tao ka, gusto mo pa rin ng high quality. Pero, kahit mayaman ka, gusto mo pa rin ng mura. Tama po ba? Kaya nagiging posible ang ganitong strategy, yung prestige strategy, pinagsamang mass at saka prestige. Alright? So, this is our newest and updated website na matatagpuan sa ating website sa ph.atomy.com. Sino na po nakabisita ng ating bagong website? Napakaganda, pinalawak, pinalaki, pinadali, pinabilis, at user-friendly. Okay, nabisita nyo na po ba yan? Hindi nyo na kailangan mag-login para makita nyo yung ating shopping mall. Alright? Of course, makikita pa rin natin dyan yung ating mga products, yung ating flagship na HemoHim, yung ating mga health supplements, beauty, personal care products, home care products, food, and more. Mas maganda na po yung mga pictures, ano po? Mas aesthetic na, katulad yung mga, yung mga website ng ibang bansa. Alright. So, marami pang iba. Okay, and our featured products are HemoHim and our probiotics. Okay, these are the two best-selling functional food in the industry now. Atomians, narinig niyo po ba yon? Hello? Best-selling sa buong industry ng distribution. Ang ating HemoHim, number 1. Ang ating probiotics, number 6. Number 2, ang ating Absolute Skincare. Number 5, ang ating The Fame Skincare. Yung 3 and 4, hindi mga food supplement. Alright? So basically, these two are the best-selling products. Okay, so let's talk about the story of HemoHim, kung paano po siya nag-umpisa. Alright? So, this is a product developed by the Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute. Alright, sabihin po natin, yung pinaikli, KERI. Okay, so dito po sa KERI ay merong 3,000 mga scientists, PhD doctors, at mga staff na nagtatrabaho with radiation. Okay, they're using gamma radiation in their research and development of pharmaceutical products, beauty care products, and food supplement. And as a result, yung mga nagtatrabaho dito sa KERI ay naapektuhan yung kanilang kalusugan dahil sa epekto ng radiation. So, ang sabi ng Korean government, you have to develop something that you can take para labanan ang epekto ng radiation. Okay po? So, they came up with HemoHim. This is the first individually certified health supplement or health functional food assisting the immune system and improvement of fatigue release. Those are the two main functions of HemoHim. All right? Okay. And it is ranked as the number 1 top best-selling product in the industry for 9 consecutive years now. Number 1, top, best pa. Okay? So, lahat na napunta na sa kanya. And that is documented po. Alright? And it is a $5 million project of KERI. Ewan ko kung meron kayong alam na produkto na pinondohan ng ganyang kalaki. Okay? At ginawa after 8 years na develop. Ang tagal, di ba po? So, hindi po ito just na product or basta-basta. Okay? And it has 18 chapters in the U.S. National Library of Medicine. So, for a product to be included in the U.S. National Library of Medicine, it should be a medicine, right? But it is not. It is a functional food. Okay po? So, napakaganda ng ating product. And it has 23, hindi na lang po 22, 23 patents in the US, Germany, UK, France, Italy, and Japan. And pinag-aaralan pa rin po siya hanggang ngayon. Just last year, since 1994 hanggang last year, natuklasan na it can already be applied on the skin, externally. Okay? So, pwede na po siya sa mga may psoriasis and everything. Okay? And it has anti-doping effect. Mamaya explain ko po yan. So, what's in a name? Ano pong ibig sabihin ng HemoHim? So, yung hemo comes from the word hemoglobin, yung ating dugo. Okay po? At yung H, okay, yung H dun sa hem, ang ibig sabihin yan, hematopoiesis. Ito po yung production ng red, white, blood cells, and stem cells. Okay po? Sabihin nyo nga po, stem cells. Mamaya po, makikita natin kung ano at gaano kaganda ang trabaho ng mga stem cells. Alright. And then yung I is immunity, yung depensa natin, laban sa mga sakit. And then yung modulation, pag-aaralan po natin lahat yan. Okay, so the development story of Himo-Him. Okay, it started, katulad nga ng sinabi ko kanina, started with the Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute. Okay, this is the first institute who developed, okay, functional biodefense food. Ito po yung pagkain ng mga astronaut. Sila ang unang nag-develop niyan, ang Carey. Established in 1959, at sila po ang pangalawa sa pinakamalaking institution na nagdi-develop ng mga ganitong products, okay, na may pinakamaraming mga technology ginagamit. Okay, and then, ang Carey po nakipag-partner kay Colmar Korea. And as a result, nagkaroon po o na-establish ang Korea or Colmar B&H. Sila po ang exclusive manufacturer ng Himo-Him. Alright? So, nakipag-partner po sila sa Carey. And Himo-Him passed the evaluation of MFDS or Ministry of Food and Drug Safety of Korea. And then, siyempre, yun nga, nakuha natin yung exclusive distributorship of Himo-Him. Are you proud, Atomians? Yes. Okay. So, before I get deeper to the lecture, we have to remember two things. Number one, our body is capable of healing or self-healing and regeneration. Do you believe that? May kakayanan ang katawan natin para mag-self-heal at mag-regenerate, i-renew ang mga cells na na-damage. Alright? So number two, the two main functions of the immune system are defense and repair. Okay, so dito nyo po makikita kung gaano ka-importante ang nagagawa ng ating immune system. Alright, so what is immunity? Immunity is the ability of the body to recognize and resist pathogens or viruses, mga bacteria, when they enter the body. Okay? Pumasok na. Meron siyang kakayanan, makilala yon at i-resist. Okay? So its function is to stop harmless or harmful bacteria from entering our body. Kaya niya rin pong pigilan ang pagpasok. Ang ganda po, di ba? Okay. Alright, so, why take Himo-Him? Or force to awaken your exhausted immunocytes or yung mga immune cells natin. Now, if they are awakened, you will have healthy immune system. Okay. Sino po yung mga first-time guests ulit? First-time guests. Ayan, pakisabi po sa inyong sponsor. Sponsor, wag mo muna akong kausapin. Gusto kong makinig. Pakisabi po. Alright, what are the ingredients of Himo-Him? We have the Angelica gigas, the Linguisticum sinense, and the Pioneer lactiflora. All these three mixed together synergistically help your body what? Activate natural killer cells. Okay? Gigisingin niya ang mga natural killer cells. These are the cells that eat up your cancer cells. Alright? And then, promote blood production. And then, it enhance your immunity. Yan, yung tatlong yan. Patented po yung formulation ng tatlong ito. So nobody in this world can use these three plants para mag-formulate ng bagong product. Tayo lang po. These are found at tumutubo lang po sa China, sa Japan, sa Korea. Alright. So what are the benefits? Okay, there are three benefits. Makinig po kayo mabuti kasi napakaganda nito. Helps generate hematopoietic stem cells. Ito na po yung stem cells. Merong dalawang lineage ang stem cells. O dalawa din, binary. Dalawang legs lang. Dalawang lineage. Myeloid lineage, increase white blood cells. And yung lymphoid lineage, increase natural killer cells, T cells, and B cells. Alright, mamaya po explain ko mabuti yan. And then it helps control inflammation. When we say inflammation, according to studies, 90% of all known diseases are caused by inflammation. Did you know that? Kaya kung ano ang sakit mo ngayon, yan ay namamaga. Dahil sa pamamaga. And him, okay, helps control inflammation by its antioxidant property. And then number 3, it helps increase regulatory cells. Ito po yung mga immunomodulatory. Kaya po yung letter M, mamaya pag-aaralan natin dyan. Okay, so what are stem cells? Ito na po, makinig kayo. Okay, so, ang mga stem cells po ay natatagpuan sa ating bone marrows. They don't have specific function. Alright? So, anong ginagawa nila sa bone marrows natin? Okay, ang ginagawa niyan, nagre-replicate sila ng sarili nila. These are, ang tawag po sa kanila ay undifferentiated cells. Walang specific na trabaho. But they can replicate other stem cells. And then they can become other stem cells also. And ito po, ito yung pinakamagandang trabaho niya. They can change into many other cells. They can be blood cells. They can be nerve cells, liver cells, muscle cells, intestinal cells, and cardiac cells. Okay po? So, para mas lalo nating maintindihan, let's watch this video. Makinig po mabuti. Thank you so much.
Whenever there is an injury or a challenge to an organ or tissue, a whole process of renewal takes place in the body to help restore optimal health. Soon after the injury, the affected tissue releases specific compounds. Whenever there is an injury or a challenge to an organ or tissue, a whole process of renewal takes place in the body to help restore optimal health. Soon after the injury, the affected tissue releases specific compounds that travel through the blood to the bone marrow. When the compounds released by the injured tissue reach the bone marrow, these messengers tell the stem cells in the bone marrow to divide and create new stem cells, which are then released from the bone marrow into the bloodstream. Slowly, the number of stem cells increases in the blood circulation. At the same time, the affected tissue releases another compound called stromal-derived factor 1, or SDF1, that attracts stem cells. As stem cells circulate in the fine blood vessels of the affected tissue and sense the presence of this compound, they stop in the blood flow and migrate into the tissue. Inside the tissue, stem cells slowly migrate to the very site of injury where SDF1 is being secreted. When they reach the site of the injury and come into contact with the damaged tissue, stem cells begin to multiply and then slowly transform into cells of that tissue. Through this process of amplification, one stem cell can become thousands of tissue cells. It is through this natural process of renewal that the body maintains optimal health every day of our lives.
Ang ganda po, no? So, ano pong ibig sabihin nito? Sabi niya, ang stem cells, okay, lumalabas sa ating bone marrows kapag natanggap yung isang substance na nanggaling sa isang injured tissue. Okay? Yung injured tissue, naglabas po ng substance, papunta sa inyong bone marrow, nagsasabi merong injured organ or tissue. Pag na-sense yun ng mga stem cells, magdi-divide sila, tapos lalabas sa inyong bone marrows, tapos magkakalat sila sa ating bloodstream. Pagdating dun sa injured tissue, okay, makikita nila, malalaman nila dahil maglalabas ulit ng substance yung injured tissue ng stromal-derived factor 1 na sinasabi, para mag-divide sila. Pag nag-divide yun, nakita nyo, nag-replicate sila, and then eventually, these stem cells will become that host cell. Halimbawa, kung sa puso nangyari yon, nakita nyo po yung injured is the heart, okay? Naging heart cells yung stem cells. So kung ang injury na nangyari sa liver mo, magiging liver cells sila. Kapag nangyari sa lungs mo, magiging lung cells sila. Okay po? So yun po ang trabaho ng stem cells. At ito po ay na-activate when we're taking him or him. Atomians! Kaya po ang mga Atomians, fighters, kapag umiinom ng him or him, we repair and renew our body each time you're taking your him or him. So what are the functions of him or him, or the immune system rather? Okay, so there are two, immune defense and immune tolerance. Immune defense, okay, dalawa ang trabaho niya, sa labas at sa loob. Ano yung trabaho niya sa labas? Na yung depensa niya sa mga kalaban na nanggagaling sa labas. Okay, ito po yung mga bacteria, viruses, at mga toxins na kailangan niya labanan para hindi makapasok or kapag nakapasok na, ay kanyang mapapatay. Okay po? So, kapag mahina ang inyong immune system, magkakaroon kayo ng infection. Pag nagkaroon ng infection, kasunod niyan, inflammation. Okay po? So, sa labas naman or sa loob, ang kinakalaban niya ay mga cancer cells. Biruin mo, ganun ang trabaho. Napakalaking trabaho ng immune system. Alright? So, sino yung mga kalaban niya sa loob? Cancer cells. What are cancer cells? These are normal cells that has been damaged. Na-damaged dahil sa hindi magandang lifestyle mo. Okay, nag-mutate sila, naging abnormal cells, and then naging cancer cells. At kapag mahina ang inyong immune system, hindi nalabanan ang mga cancer cells, you will have cancer. At ayaw po nating mangyari yan. Okay. Second function is the immune tolerance. Ano naman po ito? Mas mahirap ito kaysa sa immune defense. Kasi kailangan niyang pag-aralan ito. Bakit? Kasi sa katawan natin, meron tayong mga tinatawag na self-protein at saka mga non-self-proteins. Okay. Ngayon, kapag hindi na matalino ang inyong immune system, hindi niya nakilala kung sino yung self o yung parte ng katawan mo at hindi parte ng katawan mo or hindi para dyan sa katawan mo dapat. So, kapag may kalaban, titirahin niya yung mga kalaban, pati yung mga hindi kalaban. Pati yung sarili mo. Ang mangyayari niyan, magkakaroon ka ng autoimmune disease. Like lupus, psoriasis, diabetes is an autoimmune disease. Okay po? So, ano pa? Yung nasa labas naman. Halimbawa, may gustong pumasok sa katawan mo ng mga allergens galing sa pollens ng bulaklak. Okay? Kapag hindi na matalino ang inyong immune system, hindi niya mare-recognize na allergen yan. So, hindi niya malalabanan, eventually, magkakaroon ka ng allergies. Okay? Kaya kapag palagi ka nagkakaroon ng allergy, onting nakain mo lang na hindi maganda, magkaka-allergy. Ibig sabihin, mahina ang immune system. Alright po? So, what is immune modulation? Ito po yung M sa him. Okay? So, meron tayong tinatawag na mga T-regulatory cells or T cells, tawagin na lang natin. These cells are responsible for the immune response ng ating katawan. Now, makinig po mabuti kasi napakahalaga na alam natin to. Alright, so yung mga T-regulatory cells, kapag hyper ang kanilang functioning, okay, nasusuppress yung ating immune system. Okay? At ito ay nagli-lead sa decrease ng production ng inflammatory cytokine cells. Mamaya, mapag-aaralan natin kung ano yung mga cytokine cells. Decrease, ibig sabihin, mababang production ng inflammatory cells. Bakit po ba? Pag mayroon kang infection sa baga, mamamaga yan. Bakit po pinamamaga? Kasi pumunta doon yung mga cytokine cells para patayin yung nang i-infect sa'yo. Kaya lang, kapag hindi maganda yung response ng immune system, hindi mabilis, dumadami yung nagkukos ng infection, yung bacteria o virus, kailangan niya ngayong magpabagyo ng cytokine cells. Yun tinatawag na cytokine storms. Kapag naman sobrang cytokines naman, yan na ang dahilan kung bakit hindi ka na makahinga. Kasi sobrang namamaga na yung iyong baga. So kailangan ng regulation. Kailangan modulated. Okay? So, ang pupuntahan nito ay magkakaroon ka ng mababang immune response. Alright. So, kapag hypo naman, yung trabaho ng T-regulatory cells, okay, magkakaroon naman ng excessive, maraming immune response at magkakaroon ka naman ng autoimmune disease. Okay? So, dapat regulated. And when you're taking him o him, regulated ang production ng ng cytokine cells or T cells. Okay? So what are cytokines? These are signaling proteins. Sila yung nagbibigay ng sinyales na may problema ka sa katawan. Okay po? So, lagnat. Sinyales yan. Maganda ba pag may lagnat? Yes. Kasi sinasabihan ka ng iyong katawan, ng inyong immune system, ito, yung mga cytokines, na meron kang infection. So, matutulungan mo ang sarili mo agad? Yes. Okay? So, they signal other immune cells para magpunta dun sa site para tulungan ka. Alright po? So, these are very important inflammatory cells or immune cells na kapag hindi ka umiinom ng Himo-Him, alright, at mapangit ang inyong lifestyle, hindi po sila agad-agad nagtatrabaho. Okay, so kanino po recommended ang Himo-Him? Of course, cancer patients, especially those undergoing chemotherapy. Kaya po, pag meron kayong kakilala, merong ganito, merong ganon, huwag nyo na pong tanungin kung pwede ang Himo-Him. Alright? Kasi basically, everybody needs Himo-Him. Okay? At lahat ng mga pasyenteng ito na makikita nyo nakalista dyan, screenshot nyo na lang para malaman nyo kung sino sila. And of course, yung mga athletes natin, katulad ng sinabi ko sa inyo, ang ating Himo-Him, natuklasan na may anti-doping effect. Ibig sabihin, pwedeng inumin o i-take ng mga athletes, pero hindi bawal kasi hindi naman siya drug. Okay? At magbibigay sa kanilang lakas. Homemakers, employees, students, and senior citizens, lalo na sila kasi susceptible na sila sa napakaraming sakit. And of course, mga atomians. Alright? Atomian ka, ilang taon na, hanggang ngayon hindi ka pa umiinom ng Himo-Him. Why? Siyempre, tayo po dapat ang unang-unang umiinom nito kasi nire-recommend natin di ba po? So, wag kayong bibili ng trial pack lang. Bumili kayo ng isang box. Di ba po? Alright? Okay, so, if you, this is my Himo-Him testimony. This photo has been taken last September 26, 2023. Okay? Ano napansin nyo? May buccal ako. May buccal. Alright? Napansin ko yan August lang. August of 2023, maliit pa lang siya. And I am taking one Himo-Him once a week. Bakit? Bakit once a week lang? Kasi wala pa naman po akong hypertension, high blood, wala pa akong diabetes, wala pa akong heart problem. And so, just to maintain my good health, I'm taking once or twice a week. Okay? Pero nung makita ko to, after 1 month, lumaki na. Kasing laki na ng itlog ng pugo. At kapag kumakanta ako, hindi na ako makabirit. Ayan. So, hindi magandang sinyalis ito. So, ang ginawa ko po, uminom ako ng once or twice a day. After just 3 weeks, ayan, nawala na po. October 16, 2023. 3 weeks lang. May nagsabi sa akin, Ma'am, pabiopsy mo. Sabi ko, no. Mas matalino pa ang immune system ko kaysa sa kayo nagsabi niyan. Yeah, ang totoo niyan, our body is may built-in, hindi lang po doktor, hospital. May built-in hospital tayo. Mas matalino ang immune system natin. I know kasi I'm taking Himo-Him and other Atomy products. Okay, so I was very confident. Kaya yan, 3 weeks lang. Okay? So, anong nangyayari sa inyo? Hindi nyo alam? Just take your Himo-Him. Okay? So if you want to get healthier and magkaroon ng long life, get enhanced immunity with Himo-Him. Atomians? Fighting. May kasamang kamay. Fighting. Atomians? Okay. Our next featured product is our probiotics. Ano po ba ang probiotics? Okay. So ang ating pong probiotics, may sa isang box, merong 60 packets. 2.5 gram each. Okay? So, probiotics are live bacteria living in a healthy person's intestines. Alright? So, kapag pwede bang wala ng good bacteria sa isang katawan ng isang tao? Pwede ba? Pwede po. Puro bad bacteria na. Okay? Mamaya malalaman nyo. When proper amount of probiotics is taken, it will provide positive health effect. Okay, so pag-aralan po natin. Ano po ba ang mga probiotics? yung mga probiotics ay tinatawag silang lactobacilli. And ito po ay nag-activate ng intestinal function. Ano po ba ang function ng ating intestines? Okay. So ito pong mga lactobacilli, they play a helpful role in the environment of our intestines. Okay. So ano po yung role na yan? Yung pong mga good bacteria na to, when you take them, they produce lactic acid. Sabihin nyo nga po, lactic acid. Okay, this lactic acid will make your intestine acidic. Okay, acidic. Kailangan ang inyong intestine ay acidic. Bakit po? Ang mga harmful bacteria, they don't live or they don't thrive in an acidic environment. Namamatay sila. Kaya you need more probiotics para hindi dumami ang mga bad bacteria. Okay, so ang mga good bacteria, they grow well in an acidic environment. So, kailangan nating uminom nito. So, according to Korea Drug and Food Administration, ang functions of probiotic is to increase in helpful bacteria or helpful lactobacilli and restrains harmful bacteria. Pinipigilan niya ang pagdami ng bad bacteria, and it will help you to have smooth bowel movement or activity. Okay. Is your gut killing you? Are you dying? May nakita kayong taong halos mamamatay na? What is killing that person is his gut. Yes, opo. Nag-umpisa doon. Alright? So, did you know that 90% of our body is made up of bacteria? Ilang percent lang ang tao, ang human? 10% lang. And trillions of these bacteria are living in our gut. 90% ng ating mga immune cells, okay, is also in our gut. Okay, so ang ecosystem ng ating mga bacteria, good and bad, okay, ay nandyan sa ating sistema, sa ating bituka. At ang ecosystem is dapat 80%, 20%. 80% good, 20% bad. At yan, araw-araw silang naglalaban para sa pagkain. Doon po sa loob ng bituka natin. Ang problema, kapag na-outnumber ng bad bacteria ang good bacteria. Ito po dapat yan. Okay? Actually, ang mga bata po, 90% ng good bacteria, meron sila. 90%. Okay? So, 80% sa ating mga adults, and at least 20% lang yung bad. So, ito po yung tinatawag natin na gut symbiosis. Pag hindi po ganyan ang environment ng mga bakterya sa ating bituka, magkakaroon ka ng gut dysbiosis na tinatawag. Baliktad na. 80% na ang bad, 20% na lang ang good, at magkakaroon ka ng mga to. Obesity, colitis, the inflammation of the colon, and colon cancer, diabetes, lupus, psoriasis, HIV, and so many other problems. Okay. So, pag-aralan po natin ang intestinal epithelium. Importante po ito. Kasi, marami pa po tayong probiotics. Okay. So, sa ating pong intestinal lining, okay, meron po tayong tinatawag na mga villi. Ano pong tawag dito? Villi. Para mga daliri. At around this villi, meron pang mga maliliit na villi. Ang tawag dyan, microvilli. Okay, anong trabaho? Yan po yung ating bituka sa loob. Parang tuwalya. Di ba? Pag kumain kayo ng goto, ang gusto nyong halo, tuwalya. Yan po yun, bituka. At sa loob ng bawat villus, okay, sa loob po ng bawat villus, sa isa, villus, may mga blood vessels. Diyan po napupunta yung mga nutrients ng kinain nyo. Sa bawat villus na yan. At napupunta sa dugo natin, i-distribute sa buong katawan natin. Pero, eto ang problema. Merong mga good and bad bacteria dyan. Kapag mas marami ang bad bacteria, bubutasin nila yung inyong intestinal epithelium. Okay po? At kapag butas-butas na yan, diyan na nagkakaroon ng entry ng mga bad bacteria sa inyong bloodstream at magkukos ng maraming problema. Okay po? So, anong tawag dyan? Leaky gut. Yan po yung cross-section ng ating bituka. Kapag butas-butas yan, marami kang problema. Okay? Pwedeng umabot yan hanggang utak. Alright, so we don't want that to happen. Did you know that our digestive tract is from our mouth to the anus? Pag meron kang unhealthy gut, this may happen to you. Yan, lahat po ng nababasa nyo dyan. Okay? So, what is killing you? Nanghihina ka, palagi kang may sakit. Ito po ang problema, our gut. Okay? So, 5 signs that you are in danger. Digestive issues, meron kang palagi kang bloated, may cramps, mayroong diarrhea, and so on and so forth. Weak immunity, palagi kang may sipon, may ubo, may problema sa baga, palagi kang may sakit, may mental illness, okay, depression, may anxiety, may brain fog, irritability, meron kang senior moments, okay? Medication use. Sino po ang nagtatake ng mga maintenance meds? Nagtatake ng mga antibiotics, birth control, meron kang problema sa gut, okay? At meron kang skin problem. Acne, pimples, rosacea. Alam niyo yung rosacea? Yung mga ugat ng inyong pisngi na mamaga, kaya nakikita nyo na yung blood vessels, namumula yung pisngi nyo. That's gut problem there. Okay? So, may problema ka sa mukha, problema ng bituka mo yan. Alright. Narinig nyo na po ba yung tinatawag na gut health axis? Hello? Hello? Gut health axis. Did you know that our gut is connected to all other organs and system? Meron kayong narinig na gut-skin connection. Narinig nyo na yan? Or gut-brain connection. Okay. Pag sinabing gut-brain connection, ito yung tinatawag na yung brain, yung gut mo is already your second brain. Okay po? Alam niyo ba kung bakit nagiging second brain ang gut natin? Yes, yung bituka natin, second brain na. Kasi kapag meron kang nakain at gustong-gusto mo, halimbawa french fries, gustong-gusto mo, coke, gustong-gusto mo, hamburger, gustong-gusto mo, masaya ka, tama? Ito ay nagpuproduce kasi yung bituka natin ng serotonin, yung happy hormone. At itong mga hormones na to mag-uutos sa utak mo na kainin mo pa yan. Sige pa, kasi masaya ako kapag kinakain ko yan. So, si bituka mo na ang nagsasabi kay brain. Anong ibig sabihin? Na tapos na yung toxicity cycle ng iyong katawan. Nakaabot na kay brain. Kaya kahit alam mo nang masama, inom ka pa rin ng inom. Because of that, the gut-brain connection. Okay, so bakit? Kasi in danger na ang iyong gut. Okay, so what can harm your gut bacteria? Diet lacking in a variety of whole foods. Lack of prebiotics in your diet. Drinking too much alcohol. Maliit lang. wag na din kung hindi kailangan. Alright, antibiotic use. Yan, lack of regular physical exercise. Did you know that when you exercise, you produce probiotics? Oh, kaya you exercise po. Okay? Cigarette smoking, not getting enough sleep, and too much stress. Huwag niyo pong stressin kahit hindi ka pa nag-preparing, huwag ka muna ma-stress. Hindi ka pa sales master, huwag ka lang ma-stress. Sige lang, go lang ng go. Atomians? Yes! Okay, so kapag nangyayari sa'yo to, your gut is in danger. And how to improve gut health? Okay, eat more probiotics food like bananas, onions, legumes, asparagus, okra, oats, yan. Okay, consume more probiotics like what we get from yogurt and kimchi, but that's not enough. Okay, make time for quality sleep, reduce stress, eat food rich in polyphenols like blueberries, red wine, dark chocolates, green tea. And of course, take a good probiotic supplement. And who needs probiotics? Ito po, yung mga taong ito. Okay, may intestinal problem, bad breath, kailangan ng stronger immunity, may lactose intolerance, at lahat po niyan. Pwede nyo na lang pong screenshot. Kaya kapag may problema ka nito, recommended ang Atomy Probiotics 10 Plus natin. Okay, so why choose our probiotics? Why choose? There are 4 reasons. Okay? Ito po ang reasons. According to studies, para maging effective ang isang probiotic supplement, dapat may diversity of strains. Ibig sabihin, iba't ibang mga strain. Hindi lamang dapat 1, 2, 3. Yung kilala nyong probiotics drink, isa lang ang strain nun. Sa atin, ilan? 12. Alright? Okay, so marami po. Yung iba, merong 5, merong 7, but ours is 12. And dapat may prebiotics. May pagkain yung mga probiotics. Kasi yung mga probiotics are live microorganism na kailangan din kumain. Alright? So yung ating probiotics, may apples, bananas, strawberries, and other food. Okay. And then number 3, eto dapat quality ang iyong probiotics. Paano natin malalaman kapag quality ang ating probiotics? Dapat it has at least 3 to 5 billion colony producing units or factor units, okay? So yung sa atin, we have 20 billion actually sa bawat packet. We have 20 billion, but 3 billion ang siguradong makakarating sa bituka mo. Okay. And then, preferably with prebiotics. Meron sa atin? Yes. And then, number 3, last. Gusto kong pag-usapan natin yan last. And at least 5 multiple different strains. Ayan sa atin? 12. Alright. And last, ito po wala sa iba. Makinig. With acid protection technology. Yung probiotics po natin, encapsulated. Para pag inom mo, pagdating sa tiyan mo na napaka-acidic, hindi pa mamamatay. Dapat makakarating sila sa bituka mo. Ang tiyan natin, napaka-acidic. Kaya yung mga ibang probiotics, 60 billion. Pero hindi encapsulated, kaya pagdating sa tiyan, patay na. Wala na rin makakarating sa bituka mo. But ours, we have that technology. Palakpakan nyo naman yan, Atomians! Alright? So, ours is best. Okay. So ano ba? Maliban sa absolute quality, absolute price. Biro mo, 60 packets, 1,740 lang. Meron ako nakita, 1,754. Pero na makita ko, 30 capsules lang. Yan. Meron naman 60 billion probiotics. At 60 packets din, or 60 capsules. Pero alam nyo kung magkano? 3,600. Doble ng presyo natin. Okay? So, we have the best products in the industry, in the world. Ang ating Himo-Him at ang ating probiotics. Documented po yan. Alright? So, before I wrap up with this presentation, I would like to leave you with this verse in the Bible in 3 John, verse 2, na sinabi ni John sa kanyang beloved Elder Gaius. Sabi niya, Beloved, I wish above all things that thou may prosper and be in health, even as thy soul prospers. Yan din po ang wish natin sa lahat. Okay po? Na mag-prosper tayo sa ating business, maging healthy, at of course, maging spiritual. Dito po sa Atomy, tinuturo rin kung paano tayo mag-grow spiritually. Thank you so much. This is Arlene Masano once again, Sales Master and Center Head of Quezon City Star Center. God bless us all.